It's snowy day, snowy day, snowy day. Hey, today is the best day ever. Today is snowing, and I'm super happy. I'm gonna go make a snowman. Wow, look at my snowman. And they look so cute. His name is Bob over there. Here, his name is Lucy. See, I mean, this is so much fun. This is the best day ever. I wish snow was forever. For looking around Brookhaven, it looks completely normal. This is the best day ever. I gotta go inside. Hide. Wait a minute. Side and go to my... Oh, wait, it's breaking news. It's about the snow. I gotta watch breaking news. It was not bad, but I'm gonna watch my... Isn't it supposed to be summer? Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. It's summer, but it's snowing. Where did that snow come from? This is very strange. How very weird. I'm very confused. Can somebody explain that? This is super weird. And it is super cold. Oh my goodness. This is very confused. I gotta go get supplies. Wait, it's snowing. I gotta go outside and get some supplies. Imagine if a snowstorm is coming. I will be dead. Look, this one. This sign says out. Let's quickly get the muffin, the cookies, candy, apple, bananas, pizza. I'm gonna get a lot of them. Ham, chicken sandwich, milk, no ice cream, and that's all. I will pay for that, and let's go home. We are officially home. I'm very cold. Oh my gosh, it is very cold outside. The only place that could warm me up is my room. Oh no, look, snow is coming in. I knew a snowstorm was coming. Guys, I have an idea. One leg equals one summer day. Can we get 5,000 likes, please?